Hey, Robert Keeper here with HydroHero, and we are on a job that we're fixing drainage once again from a contractor who didn't really understand how to do a discharge line from a sump pump, which is causing the sump pump to just continuously run non-stop. So I'm going to flip this camera around and show you what the issue is and how we're going to fix it. Okay, so here's the current discharge line, and it comes out, and they hired a contractor who kept it on top of the ground. He goes under just a little bit, and he attempted to do a French drain of some sorts, and it exits just a few feet away from the actual foundation. So it's flooding out this entire area, as you can see. Here's the other thing I'd like to show you. All right, this is, I'm not sure if can't get the mud out of here, but this is a perforated pipe that they have here with holes all the way around it. It's not the correct pipe. Maybe you can see it down there. So the water shoots out. It's splashing all through here. I mean, it should be a solid pipe, you know, running far away. So what we're doing is we're going to put this on a freeze relief. See, the pipe just kicked on again. There it is, flowing out. But we're going to put this on our freeze relief, take it underground. We're going to have a discharge to a 3-inch pipe instead of an 1.5 inches. We're going to take that all the way down there. There's our main man, Melvin. How you doing, Melvin?
Good. How about you?
Great.
Good.
So we're going to take it way out there onto the property line and have it drain on a pop-up emitter down there. Also, this downspout has also just been dumping water at the foundation. So we're going to go ahead and put that underneath the sewage line and run that all the way out as well. And that'll stop all the water from building up next to the foundation, going right back into the sub pump that's in this basin, causing it to continually run and keep this woman up all night and basically ruin the sub pump because it's on continuous cycle. So we'll get all that fixed. If you guys have any drainage issues, please call the professionals at HydroHero at 302-321-7077 or find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Give a big wave, Melvin, to everybody out there.